Children, Rohana ma'am here once again. Today for the third standard English, I am taking a poem which is the Looking Glass. I had finished, I have sent you the exercises today morning. I have sent you the exercises today morning, so I will send you the poem. I will just read it out to you. I have sent you all these pages already. I will just read out the poem to you and explain the words meaning. And then the words meaning, you can write it in your classwork note. So here it goes like, every day mummy goes down to the shops. So the poet is talking about a mother who goes to the shops every day. And sometimes I go as well. And of all the things we see in town, it's never have time to tell. I would never have time to tell. So every day the poet follows a mother. She follows her mother to the town where the mother goes to buy something from the shops, and she sees so many things in the town that she doesn't have even the time to talk about it. So in this manner, the poet goes on. She goes on writing a ordeal that she faces when she goes to town. Today, while mummy was buying some eggs, I waited for her outside, and there I saw a little green girl whose shoelace had come untied. So then her mother goes to the shop and mother goes to buy some eggs. So when she is waiting for her mother outside, she suddenly sees another girl dressed in green looking back at her. And then she notices that that girl's shoelace are not tied, it's open. She stooped to tie it, and so did I. Then we both turned away and both peeped back. I smiled and she did the same. It seemed like plain. So what is she trying to say, children? When you see the same reflection of yours in another, like a person like you looking back at you, what does the first thing that comes to your mind? Okay, so this is what the girl is experiencing. She sees a little girl standing over there, whose shoelace had come untied, whose shoelace was open, and as she bends to tie the shoelace, the girl even bends to tie the shoelace. And soon as she turns away, the girl also turns away. And they started playing a game like this. She wore a pretty green dress like mine, green stockings up to her knee. And who do you think was the little girl? Why, that little girl was me. This poet's name is Ruth Underwood, children. And she's explaining how she sees her own reflection in a full mirror, and what all actions she is repeating, the same the image in the mirror repeats after her. So the poem, the name of the poem is Looking Glass. So Looking Glass is another like mirror. You're looking at your own reflection, your own image in that mirror, and whatever you do, the image copies you. So this is only the poem that you'll have to, children, you have to learn around 8 lines of this poem by heart. I will ask you to, audibly give me a test on the 8 lines of the poem for your FA3 exams. So please memorize at least 8 lines of the poem. I have sent you a page on the WhatsApp homework. I submit WhatsApp group, so please look into it and study the poems. I'll just read the words meaning along with you. You can, since the pages I've already sent, you can look at the words meaning from the pages and write it in your classwork note. Fine. So the first is looking glass. Like I already said, a looking glass is a mirror. Second, stockings. Stockings means, children, a kind of a close fitting legging or a covering for your foot and leg. It will be a very see-through material, which when you wear a stocking, it looks like it's your bare legs, but actually you're wearing on a kind of a socks, a full pulled up socks. That's called a stocking. Close fitting covering for foot and leg. Stooped means to bend down. Stoop, to bend down. So you say you stoop to pick up something on the ground. You bend down to pick up something from the ground. Untied. Untied means it's become loose. When it is tied, it's tight. When it's untied, the things which is untied, it becomes loose. Peeped. Look quickly and secretly. Look quickly and secretly means you play hide and seek, children. When you look for somebody, you look and then you hide, then you look and you hide. So then the same manner, look quickly and secretly peeped. Now children, this poem I already sent it to you today. I am again repeating. The pages, the photograph of the page is already sent to you today morning. You just have to learn the poem, 8 lines of the poem, and be ready for your FA3 exams. I'll be sending you the portions in a day or two, and do this homework, take a picture and send it back to Rohana ma'am. Fine children? Thank you.